I failed. What's going on, Pride Squad? Bet y'all been wondering where I've been. Truth is, been working, man. I've been working. But don't worry, man. I got y'all today, man. I'm about to try to take care of y'all today. So, I'm back up here at Soundproof Audio. Out here in the D. Douglasville, Georgia. Yeah, I can see that. Back out here at Soundproof Audio in Douglasville. And as you can see from the thumbnail and the first little clip, y'all know what I'm about to do today. So I was going to do this install myself, but then I realized that I don't necessarily have the tools to do it. Probably don't even need a whole lot of tools to do it. But as y'all can tell from my previous videos, I like to promote businesses, man. I like to help out somebody else, and in turn, hopefully somebody can help me out. So without further ado, man, we're about to go up in here and soundproof. We're going to holler at my guy Randy, and we're going to see what they can do with us and what they can do as far as helping us get these Underglow lights installed by OPT7, by the way. Don't worry, I'll leave a description I'll leave a link in the description box so that y'all can find it. Y'all can go and purchase it yourself. Now, I did have to purchase one extra extension cord, and I did that just because, just to see. Each LED light comes with about 10 feet worth of cord attached to it already, but I decided to get an extra one just in case, you know, it didn't work out like I planned. So I got that. So hopefully that's all I need. I'm about to go in here and see what they're talking about, and possibly we can, you know, make some things happen. So yeah, just hang out. I'll turn the camera back on when something interesting happens. All right, Pride Squad. So I went in there to soundproof, you know, hired my guy Randy, and they told me to install, since I already have the kit, I mean, even just for the labor itself, will probably run me about $300.
You serious?
Needless to say, I think it's about time to do my own shit, because that's just way too expensive. $300 is too much to pay to get a light kit installed. So let's see what they got. First things first, I'm looking for a jack. I need a jack. I don't have a jack. So we're gonna find a jack, a real jack. I ended up doing something that I should have done a long time ago. Got me a damn jack with 2 jack stands. Now I know some of y'all might have some opinions on this jack and the jack stand combo, but to be honest, I mean, it was only like 60 bucks, 65 bucks. It's got a year warranty on it for the manufacturer's warranty. I mean, which is cool. So I'm about to get on back to the crib now. We're gonna get into this install, man, because it's a lot that goes into this install. I think hopefully it's not as much as I think it is. I'm gonna throw this in the trunk. And we about to get on with this install, man, and make this thing happen. So I'll see y'all back at the crib. I'm witnessing some of the most disrespectful shit in the world. SS is obviously cammed out. because it sounds absolutely ridiculous. Don't blow by me with my windows down and rev your damn engine. Blew my damn ears out almost. Shit's just ridiculous. But anyway, let's take a listen. I'm trying to get beside this guy, but obviously people see that we stunting out here, so no one's letting me go. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, Prod Squad, so we are back here at the JRT Productions headquarters. About to get ready and show y'all this install. I'm gonna try to give y'all a full install, and hopefully, Lord willing, everything goes right. Hopefully I have all the tools that I need. I haven't even taken it out of the tube yet, so we'll find out. But first and foremost, I need to go ahead on and sweep this thing out, because if I got to lay down here, it's got to be clean. So we're gonna go ahead and do that first before we move on. And yeah, because this shit is dirty. I can't do it. Now we got it clean. Now we got it clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car in and position it where I need it to be and everything. Hold up. It's got some shit on it. All right. It's clean. It's clean.
Left you out to rap a lot. How many predators you blocked a lot? How many lawyers you got a lot? How many times you got shot a lot? How many you shot a lot?
So I ain't got a whole lot of tools, y'all. I really don't. But we're gonna make it work with what we got. So first thing I'm gonna do is pull this jack out and take a look at that, piece that together. And then we're gonna take a look at the kit. All right, so we got a new jack here. I'm about to go ahead and crack this thing open so we can get to the good stuff, man. I'll be honest with you, should have had this a long time ago. A long time ago. Man, look at this little bitty. I don't know, y'all. I think I might have fucked up. It's like a toy, man. That's what it feel like. That's what it look like. It's so small. It is so small compared to this big car. Look at this. Look at this against the car, man. Oh my God. Bruh. Oh my God, man.